Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm going to be creating with this filler paper by the Happy Planner. And I'm really excited because I have not done a filler paper creations video in quite a while. And I know you guys have been loving that, but I do have quite a few new ones here to my tea party. And so I do want to bring back some of those fun videos that I love to do and I know that you guys enjoy. And so I'm going to be creating a page insert for one of my planners. And I decided to go with this Planner Babe filler paper from the Happy Planner, and I just love this page. It's already decorated, and I love just having something where I can kind of decorate real quick and put down what I need to, and it's a go. I don't have to do a lot of decorating. And so if you're looking for something that you just want to create in your spreads and already have like a pre-decorated page, then you need to check out the Happy Planner because they have quite a few of these filler papers on their website. So I want to go ahead and create a class of 2021-2022 Happy Planner Squad insert page for my planner. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out 3 more pages to add to this to make a total of 4 pages that I'm going to be including to make this a nice Happy Planner Squad insert page for my planner. And to do that, what I did for the sake of time, I wanted to go ahead and prep my pages, and that's what I did. So I wanted to create a fold out page of the Happy Planner Squad. So in order to do that, again, I had to combine 4 of the Happy Planner filler paper to this and combine it with some clear tape to make out this beautiful fold out page where I will put the squad members on there throughout the pages to make a beautiful fold out page in my planner. What I did with 3 of the sheets, I went ahead and trimmed off the border here where the punch is. I trimmed those off and took my tape and connected them so that it will make a fold out page, and I left like a little opening in between each page so that I'm able to fold the pages out. I don't know if you can see that, but I have like a little maybe ½ inch in there. So I'm going to be including this in my planner, and I absolutely love it because it looks like one page, but then when you fold it out, of course, you have multiple pages in there. So all right, so now that we talked about the paper, let's move on to some stickers and all of that. So I pulled out 2 of my Mambi stickers that I have in my collection because I do have quite a few, but to go along with my theme that I'm wanting to do, I thought I'll go ahead and pull out this one here that has 47 pieces. And of course, this is all around Happy Planner and planning and all those fun things. So I was going to use just some plain paper and just use some of these little disc stickers here. But because this page already has disc, I don't want to overpower it with too many decorative stickers. I may decide to use this, I'm not for sure, but I am going to have it close by just in case I want to pull out some of these little quote stickers or something like that to add to this. Next up is going to be these alphabet Mambi sticks. Of course, you get all the alphabets, and so I wanted to use this to spell out maybe happy, maybe HP squad or something like that. Because this is a classic size paper, of course, these stickers are quite big, so I have to maneuver it just right so I can fit on one page. And then in the inside, I am going to place all of the Happy Planner squads here and do something really fun and cute. So that's why I pulled this out. And then last but not least, oh, I have one more before that. I decided to do something really fun. I am going to be bringing back these Happy Planner journaling stickers. These are the pop out or the fold out journaling stickers. I have quite a few of these. These are just a few that I decided to kind of pull out and just add to the pages. But I have a plethora of these journaling cards, and quite a few of them I got on clearance when Happy Planner or Joann's, and I believe Michael's had maybe like a clearance. I grabbed as much as I could, and I believe it's sold out on the Happy Planner website. I don't even know if it's coming back. I think it's discontinued. I don't know. But I thought it'd be really fun to add the Happy Planner Squad pictures on the front of these fold outs. And then in the inside, I'll add like some little fun facts about them and maybe like their Instagram handle, something like that. And just have their pictures on the front. I'm just trying to utilize all of my stash and to use them up. So what I did was cut out the squad members' pictures and I turned them into stickers, you guys. So I did that by using my Xyron sticker maker, and I purchased this from Michael's, and I absolutely love this. Once I ran it through my Xyron sticker maker, it automatically gave it this adhesive backing, and then it came out through this paper. And I just ran each of the pictures through, and I made stickers out of the squad members. So I thought that was really cool. So I am going to be using that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my front page of my insert. And I'm going to just probably put like HP squad on here. Maybe put HP at the top and then have squad going down like this. Only because the Mambi sticks are quite big, and I know just going straight across is not going to fit. So I think if I kind of go this way, I'll be able to fit squad going down on the page. So once I'm done with that page, then I'll move on to the inside using my journaling stickers here and trying to figure out where I want to actually place them. And then I'll move on into placing them down on the page. Once I get them down on the page, then I will add the Happy Planner squad members. I'll add their pictures on the little fold outs.
push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, get it right now.
All right, so I am finally done with my page insert of the Happy Planner Squad of 2021, 2022. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it will look like once it's in my planner. This is not the planner that I'm going to be putting it in, but I just want to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like. But once I have it inside of my planner, that will be like the first thing you will see. I'll probably put it in the front page of my planner. I'm not for sure. But this is how it's going to look. I do love how this turned out. I am in love with the journaling cards. My idea for this page insert was I wanted to create a fun little insert page, and I wanted it to be like a little photo pop-up book. You know, like those little pop-up kid books. My girls have a few of those books, and so I just thought, why not use the journaling cards and make like a little fun little pop-up squad member little fold out page. So that's what I did. So once you pop it open, once you put all the pictures all together, then the journaling cards kind of go together, and it makes more sense because it does hide up some of those designs. So that's why I really wasn't worried about the journaling cards that I chose, but I did want to choose some that have certain color schemes behind it, and it will go great behind the pictures. And so yeah, so here is the first two pages here of some of the squad members. I may end up moving her picture over just a little bit so it can kind of be centered like this one. And then here is the third page here and the fourth page. Really cute. And I will put all of the squad members' Instagram accounts below so that you can go ahead and follow them. Some of them are also on YouTube, so make sure you check them out as well. I'll place those down below. And of course, I am on the Happy Planner Squad as well, so I will put my information down below. But of course, if you are new here to my channel, you probably are following me to kind of go with me on this journey being on the Happy Planner Squad, and so I thank you all for that. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy me creating a fun little photo pop-up little insert to place in your planner. And again, if you are new here, I do hope you consider subscribing if you enjoy this type of video, because there are more to come. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.